而家會講呢個生產部門所需要用嘅 cost 啦，即係departmental budget 啦。departmental budget 咧，其實佢就有時候你一個 product 可能擺一個 department 度，生產部門度生產啦，咁所以有幾個 department，所以你要分開幾個 department 嘅 budget 啦去做。咁佢做通常亦都會係做成年嘅，所以個名咧通常會叫你 annual departmental operating budget 咁樣啦。咁所以佢會包含一啲咩咧？包含啲variable overhead manufacturing overhead 啦 variable manufacturing overhead 啦，會有呢個 fixed manufacturing overhead 啦。咁通常呢度佢唔會咁嗌嘅，佢嗌另一個名叫做 variable cost 咧，佢會叫 variable 方面咧，佢就叫做 controllable。而呢個 fixed 方面咧就會叫做 non-controllable。點解叫 non-controllable 用呢個字眼？因為 variable cost 咧係可以自己控制嘅，但係 fixed cost 咧通常係一啲新 cost 啦，又或者一啲固定 cost 唔可以變嘅，例如啲房租啊，或者工廠嘅租金啊，咁呢啲係固定嘅，唔可以變嘅。咁但係 variable cost 咧，我哋可以通過減少我哋生產嘅數量咧，而減低嗰個 variable cost，咁所以叫做 controllable。咁仲有上面啦，呢個都係 overhead 啦，兩個，咁住上面仲有啲 direct cost 啦，例如呢個 direct labour 啦，direct material 啊，咁將所有嘅加晒，咁就係解釋會點咧？係所有加晒，呢個加呢個 direct labour cost 加 direct material cost， 再加翻呢個 variable manufacturing overhead 啦，跟住係呢個 fixed manufacturing overhead 啦，冇錯。咁呢一個就會係形成咗我哋嘅 departmental budget 啦。